what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some 90s TLC. No scrubs. Cool. This is fun for beginners. We only have 3 chords. The only hard part about this is the picking, but you don't have to pick. Let's learn the chords. Capo on 4, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got an A minor. 1, 2, 3. A minor. E minor. A string, D string 2. And B7. 2A, 1D, 2G. Okay, so if you want to pick it, you want to pick on A 5, 4, 3, 2, and on the E minor you want to pick 6, 4, 3, 2, and then on the B7 same as the A minor, 5, 4, 3, 2, back to E minor. A, B, B7. That melodies after you pick the B7 and then you grab 3B, 1B, 3, 1, open, new string, G string 2, G to open B, ba, ba, da, da. Can't do the picking because it's pretty fast. The song's pretty fast, and if you're a beginner, you can play it down, 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 A minor, down, 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 chorus kicks in, we start strumming. Let's see. Fun. TLC. Alright. Chords. A minor. 1, 2, 3. E minor. 2, 2. B7. 2, 1, 2. And either you pick 5, 4, 3, 2. 6, 4, 3, 2. 5, 4, 3, 2. 6, 4, 3, 2. Or go down, 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 down. Nice. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe. Take it easy.